What are the best tips for avoiding ear discomfort when using AirPods?
Hey there! If you're a fan of AirPods but sometimes feel discomfort, ear fatigue, or even pain after prolonged use, you're not alone. Today, we're going to explore how to avoid ear discomfort when using AirPods. These tips will help make your audio experience a lot more comfortable.
Do AirPods fit well?
Before we dive into the tips, it's important to make sure your AirPods fit properly. Not all ears are the same, and sometimes discomfort is simply due to a poor fit. Make sure the AirPods sit snugly in your ear canal without slipping or falling out. If they don't, consider investing in ear tips or silicone covers that can improve the fit.
How long are you using them?
Next, limit the duration of continuous usage. If you're using your AirPods for several hours at a time, your ears are bound to get fatigued. Make a habit of taking a break every hour or so to rest your ears. It might be a good idea to remove your AirPods and do some ear massages as well.
How loud is your volume?
Monitoring your volume levels can significantly help prevent ear discomfort. Don't blast your audio at maximum volume. The louder the volume, the harder your ear has to work, which can cause fatigue and discomfort. Try to keep the volume at a comfortable level where you can hear your audio clearly without straining your ears.
Are you cleaning your AirPods regularly?
A buildup of earwax on your AirPods can lead to discomfort as well. Therefore, it's crucial to clean your AirPods regularly. Use a dry, soft cloth to wipe down your AirPods and use a dry cotton swab to clean any debris in the ear tip. However, make sure not to push too hard or use any liquid cleaners, as this might damage the AirPods. So there you have it, the top tips for avoiding ear discomfort when using AirPods. Remember, it's all about a good fit, controlled usage time, sensible volume levels, and regular cleaning. If you continue to experience discomfort despite following these tips, it might be worth consulting a healthcare professional. Stay safe, happy listening, and hope these tips help you enjoy your AirPods experience more comfortably.